Hello, I'm Professor Julio Rezende. This is the presentation about redesigning the facade of Space Analog Station, Habitat Marte, okay? And then some guidelines to renovate the Habitat Marte facade are the value, the cost, okay? We have only a small um, a quantity of money to invest. Also try to spark the interest of the audience for the local initiative, also the design in terms of height, because we are it's a very interesting place in terms of sky observation, because we have like a some mountains around the area where the Habitat Marte is located. And then it's very good because we have just one small city, 7 kilometers from Habitat Marte. And then we have a very good sky condition to astronomy observation and also photography. And then it's very important for us in terms of redesign the facade of Habitat Marte, not have a tall building, because this will bring some difficulties to watch the sky. Okay. And then the other element is the easy construction, because we are in this construction we are using bricks and also concrete. And then we contract a small crew, a small team to operate this renovation there. And then they are working, but not finished yet. Okay, but in this presentation we will be sharing some simulations that we did using PowerPoint. Okay, and then is this photo is possible to see the limit of the building. Okay, this blue line is showing the limit of the building. And then in the left side is possible to see the sky, okay, with many stars. Was a photo using the iPhone. But it's possible to see, it's very interesting also in this location. In local time it's 6 a.m. in 6 a.m. in Brazil, but 9 p.m. GMT, between 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. GMT, or 6 p.m. local time. It's very interesting to watch the sky. The last time that we were watching the sky, we saw 8 satellites passing the sky. And then it's very important in terms of redesign, not bring damage in terms of the sky observation. Okay, and then you can see the facade of the Habitat Marte. Okay, now this month, December 2020, we are completing 3 years of operation. Okay, and then we did very many different simulations using the PowerPoint. Okay, in this presentation, the goal is share some ideas about how we will be doing here, and then different simulations. Okay, and then one of these ideas that we are uh, sharing, okay, during this presentation, like Windows. And then we can now we are arriving in the model that we prefer to be applying to Habitat Marte. Okay, and then this is the version that we are is supposed to be Habitat Marte. In this case, we have two doors here. One door is the main entrance, and the second door is for the extravehicular activities. This left door here is we have the airlock. Okay, where the astronauts become inside and locked here. And also when they are leaving the stations to extravehicular activities, they pass through the airlock. Okay, and then also when they are returning, they spend here like 5 minutes. And then this is our proposal to a new facade of Habitat Marte with not very high, and then also a lot of elements we will be changing. And then in this case we are using bricks and concrete, bricks and concrete to renovate the facade, okay? And then we'll be painting by using yellow painting, okay? And then other point is I'd like I would like also to share all the photo, because all the photos that we are sharing about Habitat Marte is only showing this. This originally was a coral used by goats, okay, in the past, and then we recycle for to use as the proposal of analog space station. And then all the pictures we are not showing this other building. This building uh, is like a auditorium, okay. And then we also did all the simulations in terms of this second and left building here, okay. Try to see what would be the best option, what kind, how would be adding this building to the landscape of Habitat Marte, okay, doing many different conceptions. And then more also consider the cost in terms of investment. And then these are many studies that we developed here. And then in the end, we have the proposal that we are imagining is elements like this, okay. In this case, we have a lot, we are using bricks to leave the walls bigger, okay. Also the wall of the auditorium will be also bigger, also and then it's interesting because this area where is the Habitat Max located is called picos. Picos, that means peaks, okay, because they have some mountains with peaks. And then in this design we also represent parts of the peaks of the area that we when you are looking. And then this kind of the design also to celebrate the geography of the area. And then yeah, considering that this renovation is not very costly, it's not very expensive, but you need something important is also to use the good painting to we have a good result. And then maybe possibly in more one month we'll be sharing the photos of this landscape. And then I believe it will be very interesting in terms of the landscape and design and attractiveness also for possible tourist activities here, okay. Bring some people interested in space and something like this, okay. And this is my presentation, okay. This is my email for contact. Also my Twitter profile is Julio FD Rezende. In my Instagram profile is the Julio Rezende, okay. And thanks so much for the attention.